Good day everyone, my name is Shavanda Gomez and today we are going to set up an email server using HMail, Thunderbird and emClient. So the first thing we'll do is go onto Google and type HMail server and we're going to select the first one. Then we'll click on the tab on the right, download, and we will download the first one. To set up, we will click next and then accept the agreement and click next again, next again, next again, and then we will click next and then we'll put in our password. Click next and then it will start downloading. We will then click on finish and connect and put in our password. So now we are going to add a domain. We click on add and then we're going to name the domain jg.net and click on save. Once this is done, we are going to go into our accounts and then we're going to add an account and we're going to add user 1 and click save. So and in the left here you can see the user was added. Now we're going to add another account. This will be user 2. Click save and you can see the user 2 was added to the left. Now we're going to go into settings and advanced settings, go into autoban and we're going to uncheck enable and click on save. Let's now go on to Google and we are going to type in Thunderbird and we're going to click on the first link that shows up. Click download. Here now we're going to click on next and we are going to click next again and install. Click finish and then we are going to search on Google for emClient. Click on it and download it. Once it's finished downloading, we click on agree, install. Once that is finished, we will click on finish and then here we could choose our theme. Click on next and then skip import, click on next. Let's now go back into our Thunderbird and we're going to go into account settings, then account actions. And to the top we're going to add mail accounts. I'm going to enter my name, Shavanda Gomez. And we're going to enter the email address, which is user1@jg.net. We will then click on configure manually and then scroll down. We're going to change the host name to localhost and then the username will be the email. We scroll down, we're going to do the same thing for the outgoing server. We are going to click on retest and as you can see here it was successful. So here now you can see our user 1@jg.net. Let's now go into the emClient and set that up. Click on mail here and then we will click on other and then we will enter the email address, which is user2@jg.net. Now we will enter our incoming server, which is localhost, and then we will enter our password for the user2@jg.net. We will then click next and then you can see the test configuration was successful. We will click next again. Now we will click on continue without encryption and click on next. Now let's go back into Thunderbird. We will now send an email from user 1 to user 2. So we're going to click on new message, and then we're sending it to user 2. So we will type in to user 2 at jg.net, and for the subject we just put test, and then we will write in the email hello user 2, and then we will click on send, and then we will be prompted to enter our password, and we'll click OK. Let's go and send to make sure that the email was sent, and as you can see, the email is there. Let's now go into the emClient server, and we're going to see if as you can see, the email is there. And what we're going to do now, we're going to reply to the email. So we click on reply, and we're going to type in hello user 1, I received your email, and we're going to click send. Let's go back to the emClient, and as you can see here, we received the email from user 2. And that's it. Thank you for watching.